In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Shopify and PrestaShop in a full review. Both Shopify and PrestaShop are renowned e-commerce platforms, each catering to different types of users with various needs and skills. Starting with Shopify, this platform is an all-in-one, fully hosted e-commerce solution. What does this mean for you? Essentially, everything from hosting and security to updates and backups is all taken care of, allowing you to focus more on building your business. With easy-to-use drag-and-drop tools, built-in payment options, and hundreds of themes ready for use, setting up your store can be a quick and seamless process. This makes Shopify particularly appealing to small and medium-sized businesses, beginners, and anyone looking for a low-maintenance, reliable platform. However, it's important to note that Shopify operates on a monthly fee basis. Additionally, you might encounter extra charges if you decide to use premium apps or themes. While customization is available, you're somewhat limited compared to open source platforms unless you upgrade to a higher tier plan like Shopify Plus. Now, let's take a closer look at PrestaShop. Unlike Shopify, PrestaShop is open source software, meaning it's free to download. However, you'll need to arrange your own hosting and handle the installation, security, and maintenance yourself. This setup means you have full control over your store's design and functionality, making it an excellent choice for developers or tech-savvy individuals who want a more tailored e-commerce experience. But keep in mind, managing PrestaShop can be time-intensive, and costs may add up through paid modules, custom themes, and perhaps developer support. Therefore, it tends to suit businesses requiring deep customization and those comfortable managing technical setups, including hosting. So now that we've explored both platforms, how do you decide which one is right for you? If you're looking for simplicity, speed, and around-the-clock support, Shopify might be your best bet. With its all-in-one managed platform, Shopify can be ideal for those who want everything handled for them. On the other hand, if flexibility, customization, and independence are what you value, then PrestaShop could be the way to go. This platform is best for users who prefer having control over every aspect of their online store, including the hosting and technical setup. In conclusion, both Shopify and PrestaShop offer excellent opportunities to build and manage an online store. Your choice will largely depend on your specific needs, technical expertise, and how much control you wish to have over your e-commerce platform. Keep these factors in mind as you make your decision. Thank you for watching, and we hope this comparison has helped you understand which platform might suit your business best.